Governu assina akordu kooperasaun konaba projetu TLNG1 no Gazodutu no dezenvolvimentu Kampu Greater Sunrise com empreza Woodside Energy. Terça-feira, o Governo Timor-Leste e o Ministério do Petróleo e Recursos Minerais assinam acordo de cooperação com a empresa internacional Woodside Energy, com o projeto gás natural liquefeito Timor-Leste, no Gazodutu no desenvolvimento do Kampu Greater Sunrise, e assiste direito o Primeiro-Ministro Guzmão. O Ministro do Petróleo e Recursos Minerais Francisco da Costa Monteiro Ateten, projeto TLNG1 apresenta benefício econômico, social no estratégico, nebedia que o povo Timor-Leste, não é comprometido a tu serviço construtivo, o parceiro joint venture sira, o de lori projeto neba oin, o de halo a minha visão sira com a Greater Sunrise sai a realidade.
The TLNG project presents the best economic, social and strategic benefits for the people of Timor-Leste, and we are committed to working constructively with Woodside and its joint venture partners to take this project forward to make our visions of Greater Sunrise a reality. The government of Timor-Leste and Woodside are united in wanting to bring the Greater Sunrise into productions in a way that benefits all the stakeholders, but are equally united in doing so through a disciplined, technically robust pathways. The agreement also includes a high-level plan outlining the key activities that needs to be carried out. These include the work required to reach concept selections by mid next year, somewhere between June-July, and prepare for subsequent investment decisions. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Timor-Leste has a competitive edge in its region, and not because of scale, but also its willingness to adapt and reform and engage openly. So I look forward to the CA being signed soon. Thank you.
Diretor executivo Woodside Energy ateten lhe acordo de cooperação ne forma futuro IDNB a meta segurança energética do desenvolvimento econômico no cria oportunidade para a comunidade local sira.
This agreement reflects a renewed spirit of collaboration and good faith. It demonstrates our collective commitment to advancing a Timor-based LNG concept that can deliver lasting economic and social benefits for the people of Timor-Leste, while creating opportunities for regional growth and partnership. Under this agreement, we will progress technical and commercial studies for greenfield LNG development. These activities will run in parallel to the ongoing negotiations on fiscal and regulatory frameworks, ensuring that we build a foundation that is robust, sustainable and attractive to investment. We're excited to begin this journey together. The work ahead is significant, but we're ready to tackle it with energy and determination. This is our moment to turn ambition into action and make real progress for Timor-Leste and all partners involved. Finally, I want to acknowledge the leadership of the Government of Timor-Leste and the dedication of all of those involved. Together, we're shaping a future that strengthens energy security, drives economic development and creates opportunities for local communities.
Acordo ne alinha o governo no esforço estratégico sira a tu valoriza recursos naturais sira tu plano estratégico de desenvolvimento tina rihunrua sanresanida to tina rihunrua tolonulu nien no haturo passo importante ida ba avaliação técnica comercial no regulatório conjunta com a futuro unidade LNG ida e a território Timor-Leste. Além de ne acordo de moça avança e a processo de implementação ba visão ida nebe buca a tu reforça industrialização energética nacional, promove diversificação econômica, no garante cada benefício dos recursos Greater Sunrise Nien, se contribui direito para desenvolvimento nacional. Agostinho da Costa, Mateus Romário, GMN.